Hi. My name is Guan. This is my homework. Now raw sound. U. Food. Soon. Road. Recruit. Noon. Remote. Are you doing anything on Tuesday? There was no food entering a party. My family flew to New York in July. Short vowel sound. U. Wood. Sugar. Woman. Cook. Foot. Good afternoon, everyone. The older woman has a big house. I come home by foot. Short vowel sound. Eh. Check. Head. Member. Ready. Many. How many students in your class? Are you ready to go? Please check the password first. Short vowel sound. Cat. Bag. Bend. Map. Candle. I have a bad cat. My sister has a big bag. My sister has big bag. Short vowel sound. Round. Mouth. Bitch. Banana. I'm 13 years old. Banana is my mother's favorite fruit. My mother is drawing the picture. No vowel sound. Bird. Jolly. Sorry. Early. Turn. Some birds make beautiful song. If you finish early, you can go home. I love going on long journeys. What is English? Of course, it is a language, but for us, it's not just a language. It is also very important tool and powerful weapon. It's very necessary for our life and our success in 21st century. Why should we master the language, tool and weapon? Why should we spend a lot of time and energy on English? The answer is obvious. To improve yourself, to serve our country and Vietnamese people, and to communicate freely with the world. It is our ultimate goal. It is our number one mission. At Master Unique to promote an international communication. At Master Unique to spread Vietnamese language and culture. At Master Unique to make Vietnamese stronger and more prosperous. At Master Unique to make our future brighter. At Master Unique to make our world a better place. Thank you for watching. See you later.